Hello friends, Sanat Thakur. Today I am going to give some valuable tips and advice for new real estate agents. So first, building a strong network early on. Real estate is all about connections. Reach out to family, friends and former colleagues to let them know about your new career. Attend local networking events, join professional groups, and engage with your community. The more people know you are an agent, the more likely they will reach out when they or someone they know needs your services. Second is invest in continued education. The learning doesn't stop once you get your license. Stay updated on market trends, new laws, and best practices. Complete certifications and courses that make you stand out in a crowded field. This added expertise will give you clients confidence in your abilities and set you apart from the competition. Third, master your market. Choose a specific neighborhood or area to specialize in and become an expert. Know the pricing trends, types of properties, and amenities that are most attractive to buyers. Clients trust agents who can confidently guide them through the intricacies of the local market. 4. Develop a strong online presence. In the digital age, most clients start their property searches online. Make sure your website is up to date. Engaging content. Use social media platforms to share market insights, client testimonials, and updates about new listings. Remember, consistency is posting builds your brand presence. Fifth, prioritize client relationships over a transaction. Building your lasting relationships is more important than closing a quick deal. Clients appreciate agents who listen to their needs, communicate well, and go the extra mile to ensure their satisfaction. This approach leads to repeat business and valuable referrals. 6. Don't be afraid to cold call and prospect. New agents often shy away from cold calling or direct outreach. While it can be intimidating, prospecting is crucial for building your client base. Be polite, informative, and persistent without being pushy. Practice your script and be prepared to offer valuable information rather than just asking for a business. Work on your time management skills. Real estate is not a 9 to 5 job. Prioritize your tasks and set aside dedicated time for prospecting, client follow-ups, property showing, and administrative work. Using tools like calendars and scheduling apps can help you stay organized and efficient. 8. Partner with an experienced mentor. If possible, find an experienced agent or mentor to guide you through your first year. They can provide invaluable insights, help you avoid common mistakes, and offer support when facing difficult situations. 9. Stay resilient and persistent. Real estate can be tough, especially in the beginning when results may not come as quickly as you had hoped. Stay positive, learn from every interaction, and keep pushing forward. Persistence and a strong work ethic will pay off over time. 10. Utilize technology to your advantage. From virtual property tours to CRM software that helps manage your contacts, there are many tech tools that can make your job easier and more effective. Embrace technology to save time and enhance your services. 11. Build a personal brand. Your personal brand is what clients will remember about you. Focus on what makes you unique, whether it's your communication style, local expertise, or attention to details. Develop a consistent brand image across your business cards, website, and social media. 12. Prioritize your well-being. Real estate can be a demanding, so it's important to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Take time for self-care, exercise, and spend time with loved ones to recharge your energy. A balanced life will make you more focused and effective in your work. These tips and advice will help new real estate agents set a strong foundation for their careers. Keep these strategies in mind, stay committed, and you will be well on your way to success. With this, I am done. Thank you very much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.